Okay, some of you have asked what's inside the same day self publishing system because some of you already have books on Amazon. So I just wanted to show you really quick inside of here. The same day self publishing system goes through account strategy. So, like if you ever wanted to sell all your books for one price and start over on a new account, I share my pen name strategies about how to kind of take over a niche and make things really profitable by using more than one pen name. I'll show you some of the strategies for putting keywords into your book so they can increase their discoverability, and then some fast and easy book creation. And then I'll actually upload the first, like a book to show you. So that is the system. But the system comes with bonuses. And so the one of the bonuses is low content coin. It's a masterclass that I did that shows you how profitable you can be when you think about books with notebooks, journals, and planners. Okay. I also give you a masterclass called it's the niche slap. Don't make me niche slap you. Talks about how important it is to find a niche to publish over and over again. And then one of my favorite bonuses is the book Ad Profitability Bundle. We've got 9 different courses on ads. So we have some over the shoulder beginning. And all these are really good if you're getting into ads and wanting to scale a book. And the last bonus is something that I have been building out this past month, and it goes over the different type of books that you can publish on Amazon. I recently did my first audiobook, and so I explain audiobooks, high content, medium content, which is like no, it's like coloring books and activity books where the pages are different. Any books like children's books with illustrations would probably be considered high content as they have actual words in them, but some beginner books might be more low content. Okay, talk about low content and how I've made that profitable for me. So this is literally 31 training videos for $27. So it is a no-brainer. You want to snag it as soon as you can while the price is still $27.